In the pursuit of excellence in efficiency and quality in the production of medical consumables, Iven is proud to introduce its vacuum blood collection tubes line, which integrates state-of-the-art technology and design concepts built to meet the demanding needs of modern medical laboratories and manufacturing companies. Core processes and efficient flow. Iven's vacuum blood collection lines are carefully designed to ensure a smooth and efficient production process, from tube loading, dosing, drying, capping, vacuuming, to tray loading, with each step carefully optimized. Compared with other manufacturers, our equipment has unique features, including smaller overall size, higher automation and stability, lower failure rate, and lower maintenance cost. Intelligent control and simplified operation. Adopting independent PLC and HMI control systems, Iven production line realizes the ultimate simplicity and safety of operation. Intelligent operation interface, only 3 skilled workers can easily manage the operation of the entire production line, greatly reducing labor costs and improving production efficiency. Unique advantages leading the industry. High capacity and flexibility. 15,000, 18,000 blood collection tubes can be processed per hour to meet the demand of mass production. At the same time, the production line supports the production of vacuum and non-vacuum blood collection tubes, which can be customized according to customers' needs. Intelligent quality control. The entire line is integrated into the process quality control system, which ensures the product qualification rate and guards medical safety through multiple inspections, such as inverted needles, missing needles, dosing accuracy, drying temperature, etc. Precise dosage system. 3 dosage systems are provided to accurately control the delivery of additives/reagents to meet different production needs and enhance product performance. Advanced loading technology. Adopting advanced cross-pallet loading technology, automatically adjusting the distance, together with the special foam pallet, realizing safe and stable loading of finished products. High-efficiency vacuum technology. The unique intelligent vacuum level setting function can automatically adjust the vacuum level according to the altitude factor, showing the excellent technical strength. High-quality structure and compliance. The main body is made of high-quality steel for load-bearing, and the surface and frame are made of stainless steel, which is not only easy to clean and maintain, but also complies with the GMP standard, guaranteeing the hygiene and safety of the production environment. In short, Iven Vacuum Blood Collection Tube production line has become a leader in the field of medical consumables production with its excellent performance, high degree of automation and intelligence, and strict quality control. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help your business thrive in the healthcare industry.
Create value for customers.